Okay, we're going to talk about the font characters within the font editor. So if we drag a font down into the scene tree here, we have a tab here. It's called characters. And every font has its own characters here. So this is really helpful because it's a quick way to get some special characters into your words of text or fonts. So you can see here that as we scroll through this characters tab that there are several things that we can use. Registered trademark is already there, an easy way to do that. So if you ever needed to use one, it's already there. So the basic gist of it is that you have special characters already within this font here, and it's especially helpful for any type of foreign languages or different languages that you may need to use. So all you need to do is just basically take one of these characters and drag it up into the editor window and let go, and then it's there. So as you'll see, when we switch out a font, the same variables will be present. So we swap out our Arial black font for our Futura, and you can see that the same characters up here are in each font.